abantu abangi. I want to give an example and be on record. Nakolako interview omuntu n'abuuza nti Bobi Wine mumanyi? Nemugamba Bobi Wine mumanyi naye simumanyi ng'omuntu tetuli bakyaliso situlangako naye nenjogera naye nange mulaba ng'obuyimbi ng'abalala ku TV. And someone went and switched that up and said era zagambye tamuwulirangako, and switched the narrative and posted stuff, and and you can imagine on Facebook what happens. So that is what I call misinformation. Part of that was of course misreporting of the person who did that interview. Because bagala catchy headlines, sensational things for clicks and likes. So part of the problem that we are facing is because of that need for clicks and likes and traction. Nti abantu tebafaayo nnyo ku disseminating information improve wabula information erina causing abantu clicking and sharing and liking n'okuba excited, negative or positive. In the long run, there will be no winners in the industry, of course. What people need to know is that when you go to Nigeria, where abayimbi ba millionaire with dollars, never DJ, never media people, now they are rich like that. So if you put down your artists, you're putting yourself down. Inevitably, do not think that you will magically elevate by putting these people down or putting us down. So I just always say, bagamba taita tenda nyino kufumba. Ungatona kulumeyo, no lava the way other people do stuff. You stay with a very close mind because you don't know how the world operates. Chininga buku katamati bagamba abantu ababeera nnyo mu kyalo bosanga bali mu kyalo nga beeroga bekola buntuntu. They are there suffering, but they are against one another. They don't know what's happening outside there. Sometimes I feel like that's what happens locally because people don't know what's going on there. About the sabotaging, but you're in a small place, and others are moving on. So, Echechibuzo, you're the second person to ask about it. I am not politically active, nor am I interested in that line. I'm an artist, I'm a musician. I believe everyone is entitled to their opinion. However, we fight for copyright, and unfortunately, I want to speak to all those who are watching us. Bwebanga waliwo omuntu amanyi nti ye nga ye ng'ogudde ku gavumenti asobola okukyusa etteeka lyaliteekeko omukono nga si gavumenti baayo otuyambe okuteekeko omukono copyright okituwe gya gavumenti gyesonyiwa. Bw'oba omanyi tekisoboka toddayo okumenya muntu kukolagana ne gavumenti kubanga naawe oba oli wali amasannyalaze ne gagenda ogamba naye kumeme yabangi ng'olowooza evaawo amazzi ne gagenda ogamba naye national water olowooza eyo yavaawo ogamba naye okuba bennatera ng'olina enfuufu biki olowooza ni bw'oba oganira gavumenti because there is nothing that we can do without the government. It is simple as that. See what we will see or not. So I want us to avoid sabotaging ourselves for things that we cannot even control, And music is about social consciousness, oneness, unity, spreading love and positivity. And that is what we want to keep putting out into the world. Not bad money. And that is what Pink October at Sheraton Hotel Gardens is about. It's about love, good vibes, no bad money. My Johnny Allen.